Hey guys, it's Galaxy Panda here, but really only Galaxy because, Panda. I don't know what I was thinking. It's only, oh my god, are these chickens? I'm also using a different texture pack, and why is there a bear in here? Oh, it's supposed to be a cow? Oh, they're cows. I'm also using a new texture pack. It's Adventurous Dream. I'm also not liking this because of the way my house looks. And oh yeah, I got a bit Metchy, I think. I don't like the way the chest looks. I kind of like the bed. And look, it's Daisy. The boy. It's a boy, okay? It's a boy. I don't know why, but it's a boy. Ew. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to use it. So we're going to change the texture pack in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. All right. So we changed the texture pack to the old one, the pure BD craft. I remembered it. But now everything looks better. And I'm actually used to it. Don't mind the hole in the ground. Just gotta fix that later. Or maybe now. Yeah, now seems like a good time because it's really bothering me. Okay, and boom. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you slap and crush that subscribe button and tickle that like button because it deserves to be. Hello, bunnies. I haven't breeded the bunnies in a while. Wow. Just realized how many bunnies we had. Okay, I also need to breed them. I also need to breed and kill these because I need some leather. So let's just see if our farm is good. If not, I have like a bunch of bone meal in my sorry if I keep reading text messages while I'm recording. The farm kind of looks good, except before there were like a bunch of crops, but I kind of lost them because I died. Off camera, I died off camera, and I had a bunch of seeds on me. I was heading home, and I was in my inventory, a zombie was coming, and I was at half a heart. I was trying to get my potatoes, and then when I died, I dropped my seeds. Don't ask me how. Just dropped them, okay? I dropped my seeds. Everyone drops their seeds, right? Right? We also need to say hi to Daisy. Daisy the man. And if you don't know who I'm talking about, make sure you guys go see my other videos. Daisy is a man. I was confirmed by Metchy. I think Matchy. I'm gonna keep calling her Michi. It's like, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. But are these even? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. But I feel like there's more potatoes. No. Now I should me. Sorry. Let's place the seeds down. Oops. It's not seeds. That's not a seed. There you go. No. Okay, there you go. There was wheat in here. Oh well, I got more wheat. That's how that matters. I got one carrot in here. Got one carrot. It's not a seed. I want it. No. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna get some more carrots. I honestly don't care about the potatoes. I'll farm them after I'm done breeding the pigs and the bunnies. It's really hard to breed bunnies because like they run everywhere, and I don't want to kill the bunnies though. I don't want to kill the bunnies. You know, we'll just have bunnies as pets. We'll just have bunnies. Hello, chicken. I'll just feed you guys randomly. To the feet behind. Okay, hello chickens. I'm not even gonna feed you guys. Like, literally, I'm not going to feed you guys. There you go. Now you got some chicken littles. And okay. Now I got to feed a you, and a you, and you, and you. And I also gotta feed you, and you, and you, and you, and you. And I feel like I'm not gonna feed all of them. I gotta feed you, and you, and you. Oh, and you, 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 and you. No, definitely you. Where are you? Oh, there you go. I just saw a butt. Hello. Do you need to be fed? Who needs to be fed? You need to be fed. Who else needs to be fed? Did I feed all of you guys? Did I? Oh, no. I didn't feed one. There, baby? No baby? I've been feeding the same one over and over again. There you go. I wonder what llamas eat. I can't seem to feed them. No, I did not just get in here. Hello. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, well, cow, you're gonna have to stay in here. Gotta keep the llama company. Wow, it's already turning night. Okay, hello, bunnies. Bunnies, I'm gonna need to feed you guys. Please. Please make little bunny babies. Oh my god, I had two I was supposed to be like, I had two black bunnies. Where are they? What did you do to them? Please let me feed you. Thank you. Oh no! Ew! Now his body's in the middle of nowhere. I mean, in the middle of the... Can I feed you? Let me feed you. It's not my fault. Dude, stop stepping over your brothers. It's not gonna kill him. I keep killing bunnies. On accident. No, please, let me just feed you, please. Need to feed the bunnies? No? Okay. Hi, horsey. Well, we should probably go to bed. Is that croissant? Nothing. Alright. Good morning, Daisy. We also need to shear the sheeps. Yeah, we also need to shear the sheeps. Shear the ships. Why did I just smelt a chest? Why did I just flipping smelt a chest? Well, now it's gone. I want to smelt the chest, but oh, I didn't feed the sheeps. Hello. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, I thought it escaped. I was like, wait, how did you escape? There we go. No, so you die. Thank you. Alright, I also need your wool. To shear you. Wow. No, I need your wool. I'm just gonna like get in here and get out of here right quick. I'm gonna shear you. I'm gonna shear you and shear you and shear you and can't shear babies. And shear you and then shear you. And then you and you and you and you and you. Oh, so many of them. Stop eating, dude. Who else has? Oh, you just screw you. Take left back. Infinite. Alright, is that all of them? Yeah, I think that's all of them. Alright. I also killed some of them, so that's a thing. Aha! No! Oh, no! I didn't mean to do that! I was trying to click my carrots! Oh my god! I keep killing them! I'm such a bad farmer. What did I do to deserve this? Didn't even mean to kill it. I was thinking about it, but I was like, no. No. But then I killed it. I'm so bad at being a farmer. Be the worst farmer in the world when if I was a farmer in real life. Alright, yes. So we have to make 2 gravestones today. 2. Oh my god. 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 First I kill Inky, the bunny, and then I kill the cow on accident. And then I kill a llama on accident while trying to get it into its cage. And you guys would have seen that in my previous videos, that I accidentally kill them. And it's on accident because I get so annoyed, I start punching them on accident when I'm trying to put a lead on them or taking them off. I'm just so mad right now. So mad. Did this even cook? If you're a farmer out there, don't hire me. Don't hire me. I'm warning you. Do not hire me. I'd be glad to, and I'd say yes. Then you're gonna want to say, why did I do this? What am I doing? All my farm animals, they're gone. They're dead. And then you'll look back on me, and I'm just gonna be like, I didn't do anything, man. I'm just here. I wasn't on duty to take care of those cows. I totally didn't kill them with this sharp, mysterious object. No, I don't know what you're talking about. In the previous video, I also had stairs. I also ran out of cobblestone, so I'm just gonna use that. Let's name this other bunny, which was also black, Inky 2.0, because he was a replacement for Inky. I also, my shovel also broke, so, make a new one. That chicken just have to, like, will somebody please take me off this weed? Like, what did I do to deserve this, man? Have you guys been watching the Olympics? I know I have. I love the Olympics. I'm gonna make 2 shovels because I'm So protective. Wink, 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 wink. My sister, when I say something, she doesn't believe it. She's like, yeah, totally. Wink, wink. That just really annoys me, and I do it to my friends, but they don't get as annoyed as I do. Which I'm like, what? What? You not get annoyed like that. I'm practically saying that she didn't actually, what? Anyways, let's name R I P lamb. No, that's not how you spell lamb. Lamb. My bolt. And sorry. Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? R.I.P. Another bunny. Inky 2.0. Inky 2.0. Sorry. There you go. And I didn't get any names on this one, so I decided to name the llama that I accidentally killed. I decided to name him Fluffy. R.I.P. Fluffy the llama. Nope. Fluffy the llama. And then this one's still gonna be O. I just need to do R.I.P. O. The cow. Inky. Alright, so let me show you the graveyard. It's ginormous. I'm sorry. So let's see. R.I.P. Inky the bunny. R.I.P. O the cow. R.I.P. Fluffy the llama. R.I.P. another bunny, Inky 2.0. I'm sorry. And then R.I.P. lamb. I'm sorry. And then like this place is going to be filled with dead animals. Like I am like the worst owner in the world. I'm already gonna set some more over here. Not mean to drop that. Like, I'm already gonna set some more over here because like I already know I'm gonna kill some more. And then boop, boop. Wait, no, that's not what I wanted. There you go. Doop. Doop. Boop. 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 Alright, well, now that these gravestones are ready, or grave gravel because they're made out of gravel, already, I just gotta wait until I accidentally kill an animal. I swear by the end of this series, why is there a tree here that's not even dropped? At the end of the series, I'm probably gonna have like 20 of these, and I'm just gonna like look back at all of these, just like. Just sad music playing in the background. Hello, little chickies. Hello, little chicas. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Wow. I think I might end the video here. I don't have anything else to do, and I killed animals that I farmed. And I breeded, and I don't know what that was. Don't ask me. Alright, well, I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and tickle that like button. Bye!